Morning everyone, and welcome to the On Daddy Life channel. I'm a South African. I've moved to the UK. I live in Bardney in Lincolnshire. As you can see, we've had a bit of snow last night. It's absolutely freezing. If anything, this morning has taught me that I need to invest in some gloves. But it's absolutely beautiful. What we're going to do today is actually go to the highest point in Lincolnshire. It's an absolute cracker of a day. Beautiful sun and crisp morning with lovely snow and a beautiful sunrise. So we thought we would make the most of doing a bit of sightseeing, finding some more snow, and yeah, let's take you guys with us. We've just arrived at Lincolnshire Wold. So this is near the highest point in Lincolnshire, and we're going to just have a little explore around, see what we can find. Hi you guys. Morning. So according to Google Maps, we're at Wold Top, which is apparently the highest point in Lincolnshire. It's pretty underwhelming and probably goes with the territory of Lincolnshire being pretty flat in general. But if you look behind me there, I'm pretty sure that just over there in the middle of this field is the highest point in Lincolnshire. So yeah, there we go, we found it. Not the most impressive thing I've ever seen, but another one off the bucket list, I guess. Highest point in Lincolnshire. Woo!